This is a CWP60-SS. It's a universal basin clicker waste. So inside here you've got your middle bit. take that bit out, and it's suitable for slotted waste, so basins with overflows. Leave it in, and it's unslotted, so no overflow. You top fix it as well. So you top fix it as well, right through here. So if you unscrew it a little bit, 1 second. Like a basket strainer waste, you can get your socket set in there and tighten up, right? Also, all these parts are fully replaceable as well. So if you ever had an issue, you can get hold of the spare parts as well.